was walking with my neck out. Some ways I wish I was walking with my neck out. Some ways that I wish that I was out on the bevel sound. It sounds like everything else, but you'll know it when you hear it, 'cause you know the way my voice felt. Ignore my tone and everything I sing for me. Ignore the phone on your bed. It rings, it rings, it rings. Shirt collar ringing me out. My collarbone got all red, and already severing prose. I'll roast, I'll sing instead. I hold you, put your neck out. Tell me the ways you wish you were. Keep your confidence sound. You'll hook my spur. And so when I went to hang out, I hung behind your eyes. My eyes still flicker out quickly, or I can't decide. I'm tapped out, don't it always seem to go that you could hold it right in your hands, collapsing and still not know. In your hands, collapsing, still not know. Not know. What it is, say how it is with everybody I know. I got no temper for that. I send you this cadmium red one. Every layer I shed, and I shed one layer for this. Say what it is, it's so impossible. But if I just say what it is, it tends to something made away. When I was looking to drop my life every year I shine light on edges I tried to unpeel, but we gotta do better than that. So I'm sorting out, so I'll be sitting on the outskirts if you want to talk about it. Things in there are just getting so loud.